Hey guys, I hope you had a great 4th of July. And one of the best parts about 4th of July, besides America of course, is fireworks. And I have an excess of fireworks, so I wanted to think of something cool to do. So I'm going to see if putting them in the barrel of airsoft and BB guns, I can kind of make them accurate. I'm just going to be using like bottle rockets, and I'm going to try to shoot them at my pan right there. Yeah, right there. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. So, quick disclaimer, I don't recommend trying this. I am not a trained professional, but I'm going to do it anyways. So, I'm pretty sure they're going to explode somewhere around there. I just want to see if I can hit the pan. So, here it is, something I guess. Ow, it burns! Oh, I hope that was funny for you guys now. Okay, I need something with a longer barrel. Oh no, it got me in the neck. Oh. Ah. That's a pretty good blister right there, guys. It hurts. Okay, don't do that. I'm still gonna do it again, but I'm gonna set this down first, and it's gonna be out of the big BB gun. And hopefully, that was just a random thing. I should have been wearing iPro. I always say that. That was dumb of me, but I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, we're just gonna see in slow-mo what's happening here, because maybe that was a fluke, or maybe that's a normal thing. Okay, that is for sure a normal thing, so this is a bad idea. We're not going to do it anymore. I got burned. We learned something. Don't do this idea. It really hurts. Okay, I have one more idea. Okay, we learn and we move on. So my plan is shoulder fire. All the flame and all that bad stuff should go out the back while this continues forward. I got glasses on this time, so let's see how it looks on the slow-mo, because, man, my neck hurts. I'm just gonna get hurt today. Okay, that one went straight at the ground. It was a dud. So we got a better one. I don't know if it's better, but it's the one I'm gonna use. So here goes something. I hate it when people say here goes nothing, because it's never nothing. Maybe it would be better if I did it from the back. This is so graceful. Hey, there it goes. It worked. Okay, I'm too close to my target, so now I'm gonna set you guys up because I know how it's gonna work. Okay. Still pretty scary, but I think we got it down now to a relative science. Relative is very relative. It's a very loosely thrown around term around here, but come on, give me. Hi. All right, getting better. Left. All right, we're doing it. No explosion. And the last one, guys. Okay, so what we have learned today is don't shoot bottle rockets from a pistol / BB gun or anything, because it's going to shoot a really hot, stupid glasses, it's going to shoot a really hot ball of death at your neck or face. And 2, wear safety glasses. 3, bottle rockets aren't that accurate. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. My neck didn't. And have a nice day. Bye.